the reason I'm doing this is I don't like the cereal. I don't want you to have cereal for breakfast. So I'm trying to give you something different. Too much sugar in the cereal.
Okay. Yeah, too much.
And that means you can never get your blood sugar under control because the cereal is making things worse. This is basil. I brought this from my garden this morning.
Basil.
It's a spice kind of to add a little flavor and taste to it.
Basil.
This is Chinese broccoli or broccolini. Okay, so I think we've got everything and ready to cook. Coconut oil. This is what I like to cook with. Vegetable oil is not good for me. Can you smell it? Doesn't it smell good? So you can enjoy this, right? Yeah. Good. I like that. This is supposed to take the place of
Cereal.
So, like, how many times do you have cereal a week? Every day? 3 times? So you can have this 3 times a week instead of the cereal. If you eat something a starch or something that is sugary, your blood sugar goes right up and then drops, and then you feel hungry. So it will make you feel hungry quicker. How is it?
It's great, man.
It is?
Yeah.
Wow. Miss Shelton, how is it?
Good.
You like it? Whoa.
This is good, man. I thought I wasn't gonna like it. I really did.
And poetry too, huh?
The day I talked to you this week, and I was asking her what she eats. As soon as she said breakfast, cereal for breakfast, I didn't even ask what she eats for lunch. I was like, we need to do something about this right now.
Well, you just did. You just done.
So
He said, He said, I need to come cook breakfast for you. He ain't know he getting himself in a trap.
No. Actually, I would if I didn't mean it, I wouldn't have said it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if I didn't mean it, I wouldn't have said it. This is something. You see, I want to do stuff like this. My number one goal is to change the health trajectory of my patients. You know, and anything I can do legally to make that happen, I will make that happen. So if this changes how you eat and it improves your sugar and you lose weight loss is another big thing, then it's worth it. It's worth coming here to do this.
So we can go and get this stuff from the grocery store.
Yeah, I know everything else there. And might we can find that broccoli lean, but I can use regular broccoli.
Regular broccoli.
Yeah. And you don't have to use all 5 every day. You know, I just brought as many as
So I can just use 3 a day.
You can use 3, yes. Our stomachs don't make enough acid as we grow older. But vinegar is acid and it helps digest your food. So if you can have vinegar every day, it's just healthier for you.
Where did these come from?
From Africa.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So when I went, I was looking for something to bring, you know, my stuff in. And so I went looking for the basket because I used to sell them in my shop before. So I thought I must have some basket at home. So I went to look for it. Then I found these when I was looking for it. So I said, well, wouldn't it be nice to just bring them something?
That is very nice, man.
So you can hang them up on the wall side by side, male and female. Thanks for you know, being good hosts and letting us come and share breakfast with you.
Thank you for doing
this
that.
is great. Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate it, man. You changed the way we eat breakfast.